Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about speed and fuel consumption as part of rates and ratios. So let's start. So we all know that speed is a rate at which something moves, and we normally measure speed in kilometers per hour or meters per second. Now, fuel consumption, on the other hand, is the rate at which a vehicle uses fuel, and normally we measure that in how many liters per 100 kilometers. So the formula that we use for speed is that the average speed equals the total distance traveled over the total time taken. Now we can write this as S equals D over T, and obviously we can rearrange this to make D the subject or T the subject, as you can see there. Let's go through a few examples. Example 1. Simon drives 636 kilometers at an average speed of 72 kilometers an hour. So they've given me the distance here and they've given me the speed as well. How long to the nearest minute will it take him to reach his destination? So they've given me speed, they've given me distance, they haven't given me time, and you'll see I sub that in there. So I'm going to rearrange this to get t by itself, which means I just swap those two, and I get t equals that. Now that gives me a decimal hours. How do I convert that to hours and minutes? I press the degree button and that will show me 8 hours and 50 minutes. Let's move on to example 2. Example 2 says that Simon's car can travel 540 kilometers on a full tank of 40.5 liters of fuel. What is the fuel consumption of Simon's car? So we need to figure out per 100 kilometers, and right now it's given us per 540 kilometers. So how do I make that 540 100? Well, I divide it by 5.4. And whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side to balance it out. So I get that his fuel consumption is 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Part B says, how far can Simon travel on 15 liters of fuel? So I like to write these as fractions. So I have liters on the top and kilometers on the bottom, just to show me so I have the same thing. So we have 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers equals, well, 15 liters on the top, and we don't know the kilometers. So now I've made a simple equation with an equals in between. And we know when we have an equals in between, we cross multiply. So 7.5 times x and 15 times 100. And then I get x by itself by using equations, and I get x equals 200 kilometers. So Simon can travel 200 kilometers on 15 liters of fuel. Part C is a reverse. It says how much petrol or how many liters would he require on a trip of 2,000 kilometers. So I do the same thing again. Liters over kilometers. I know it's 7.5 over 100 equals how many liters, I don't know, over 2,000 kilometers. Again, cross multiply, use equations, and I get x equals 150 liters. Okay, I have 3 quick questions here for you guys to try. Pause the video, give it a shot, and then come back to look at the recommended answers. Okay, there's the recommended answers. Hopefully you got them all right. Till next time, take care, guys.